Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make tostones or plantains, and I'm also going to show you how I make the sauce to dip them in called mayoketchup. I did buy this today. You'll see what I use this for later. Let's get started. First things first, I always cut off the edges first. Get that out the way because you can't eat that. And then we're going to slice the banana a bit, but not going all the way down. You're basically just scratching the banana, but like giving ourselves some space to like peel off the skin, which you'll see now as I speed things up a bit. Check it out, we got a deep cut. Now we just start peeling the skin off, which took me a little bit longer than I wanted. That's why I sped this up a bit. But you get the point, you want all of that off. None of that's edible. And once you get all the skin off, we can move on to the next step. Now real quick, just gonna cut this into a few slices. A few pieces, I should say. And I think I cut it in 8, which is fair from one banana. Next, I'm going to teach you how to make the sauce that I dip this into. Now you have ketchup, mayonnaise, minced garlic, or you can use garlic powder. But we're going to put some ketchup in a container. And put a little bit more. Then I'm going to hit it with some mayonnaise, big spoon, a little bit extra. And then I'm going to mix that up real quick. Like, you don't want to see no ketchup or no mayonnaise. Like, you want it completely mixed together. Like, no red, no white. Should be like a darkish pink. And after you mix that up, we're going to add some garlic. Not too much. Or actually, your preference. And then we're going to mix that up some more. And that's it, real quick. Mayo ketchup. Now, I'll fry. Just toss them into the frying pan. Keep the oven or the stove on a 4 to a 5 temp. Place all your bananas in there, and you want them to cook on both sides before taking them out. I'm gonna flip it, see, it's starting to get some color. You just want it to get that color on both sides. And I'm gonna speed this up real quick. Try to make the video as fast as I could for you. Speeding up some parts that didn't need to be watched completely. Alright, as they get a nice golden brown on both sides, you take them out. I'm going to drain them real quick. Or not drain them, but dry them from the oil before I start to flatten them down. Now back to that thing that I bought earlier today at Walmart. It's the easy and fun way to make tostones. Just put it right there, smack it down, or push it down. Boom, now we're going to do that for the rest of them. And I'm going to try to go as fast as I can. Alright, so after you flatten them all, you throw them back into the frying pan. And you just let it cook to preference, like as light or as dark as you like it, or as crispy. I like crispy food, so I always leave my stuff in a little bit longer. And I put the flame up higher so it cooks faster. Like, this is the easy part, like we're almost done. Look at that, see? Nice dark brown. Nice and crispy. So after a few minutes on each side, take them out. Throw them on a paper towel so we could drain that oil. And then after we get everything out and dry it all off, we'll put some salt, sprinkle some salt all over them. Alright, salt time. I probably put a little bit too much salt here, but maybe just a little bit less. Sprinkle it all over. And then I'm gonna treat my tostones like dominoes for a minute. We're gonna move around the plate. Flip them. Make sure we get salt everywhere for that extra taste. And when they're nice and salted, we're gonna plate them. And boom. You could eat these as a snack with the mayo ketchup, or it could be a side for your meal. I actually tried one of these real quick, just for the heck of it. I won't show my face though, you don't need to see me eating. But I served these with the food I made in my last YouTube video. It complements the plate. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and just tune in for future videos. Thanks again, everybody. Peace.